You're watching how Leap. Let's fix WhatsApp images not showing in your phone gallery. First, check your phone's storage. If it is full, free up space to allow media to save. Next, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right for the menu, then go to Settings, tap Chats and ensure media visibility is turned on. This makes saved media visible in your gallery. Also in chat settings, verify that Save to Camera Roll or Save Photos is enabled. For Android, go to your phone's settings, then Apps, select WhatsApp, tap Permissions, and make sure storage permission is granted. On iPhone, go to Settings, scroll to WhatsApp, tap Photos, and select All Photos. If the issue persists, the media might be in a hidden folder. Use a file manager app on Android to check the WhatsApp Images folder in internal storage. Clear the cache of your gallery app in your phone's settings under Apps. Restart your phone to refresh the system. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, but back up your chats first in WhatsApp settings under Chats and Chat. Backup. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.